Hi guys, my name is Steven and today I'll be teaching you how to solve systems of equations using the substitution method. So our first step is looking at both equations and seeing which one would be easier to deal with. As you can see, the second equation has a negative, so we probably have to divide to get the variable alone. But the first equation is a positive, so we wouldn't have to divide anything, just get y alone. So we'll work with the first equation first. So it'd be y, it'd be 3x, plus y equals negative 17. Alright, so in order to get y alone, we need to cancel out 3x. And to do that, we have to subtract it on both sides. So it would now be equal to y equals negative 3x minus 17. Put this over here. So okay. Y equals negative 3x minus 17. Alright. So now that we have this equation down, we could now plug it into y. So negative 8x stay the same minus negative 3x minus 17 equals 232. Alright, so now we multiply, negative 8x stays the same, negative 8x. So we have the negative times negative 3x, which would be positive 3x, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And we do the same thing, negative times negative 17, which equal positive 17, equals 32. Alright, so after this step, we now need to add like terms. So negative 8x plus 3x is negative 5x plus 17. Our goal is to find x. So in order to do that, we have to get it alone. So we'll cancel out 17 on this side. 17, which is 32 minus 17 is equal to 15, equals to x, negative 5x. So we'll end up with this. So after that, you need to divide negative 5 on both sides. So negative 5x divided by negative 5 is x. And 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3. All this worked for negative 3. All right, we can erase all this now. So now, since we have x, we need to find y. So we're going to go back to our first equation and plug in x, the negative 3 for x. So it'd be y equals negative 3 times negative 3 minus 17. Alright, so now we multiply negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, minus 17 is equal to y. So whatever 9 minus 17 is equal to y. 9 minus 17 is 8, negative 8. So y equals negative 8. And to check this again, we could always plug it in back to this first original equation, or either equation, and it still end up with a negative 17 or 32. So we'll try this out. So 3x. So 3 times a negative, 3 times negative 3 plus negative 8 should equal to 17. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus negative 8, and that is equal to 17. Negative 17. And that is how you solve a systems of equation using the substitution method. Our answer was x equals -3 and y equals -8.